Welcome to the Chilton channel, folks. Today we on a little bit of a bush hogging job. Move a little bit of brush. Pretty straightforward. Should get her done within the day, but have a look at what we're doing. Get the bush hog some kudzu today. Little brush pile down in there. He wants me to pile back up so he can burn it come winter time. But I'm gonna run all the way down this creek line. There's a culvert down there I gotta watch out for. Run down that and cut all this. And we'll zoom up here in the power of editing. Be there just like this. Alright, so we're back here. We're gonna try to clean up this area a little bit for them. Down through here. Then you got a little bit of a field and a clearing over in there. We're gonna try to knock all that out. And then there's another brush pile right back in there. He wants us just to dump it in the woods so it ain't such an eyesore. Should be a pretty straightforward job. Hopefully I don't have any issues. Last time he hired me, blew 2 tires. Let's hope that don't happen again. So enjoy. Ride along. Hey dog. Hey dog. You a friendly neighborhood dog, ain't you? You look a little hungry. Yeah. So we don't know who you are. Yeah. We gotta go work, pup. We're gonna be grappling first of all. me. As you can see here, this is pretty steep through here, and I don't know if you can tell, the camera just ain't gonna do it justice, but right in this area right here, it's real steep, and so is this. And I got a little gauge-o-meter down here, and the highest that I've had it is about 30 degrees, and it came up on one wheel. I don't know what caught me, but good Lord's grace, I guess. But got this section done, got as close as I can right down in here. It drops off into a little ditch down there, so I stayed away from it. Got this side close I can to them trees, piled that up best I can, and we're gonna roll on to the other side of the property and keep on keeping on this side. We're gonna do the best we can, get up in all these trees, and then we got to cut all this. He had recently had it cleared out, so over there is nothing but brush and holes, and back here there's holes, and there's brush in here, and there's brush up all on that line. And he wants me to get it the best I can, I guess. He wants it all bush hog, of course, but can't bush hog brush piles. So we're gonna try to get up in here and do as best we can. Just got to take it easy. I got a slip clutch, luckily, on this thing, or I'd be replacing pins left and right on jobs like this. So, all right, let's ride along. got the job done. Pretty simple job. Ended up getting this bush hogging over here done, and then he had a stump over in this area that he wanted out, his old pine stump. Luckily, a tree fell over, which ripped half the stump up, because my little 3901 here, it ain't the most powerful machine in the world, and without the backhoe attachment, it's no match for any stumps hardly. But I did get it out of the ground. We got the bush hogging on the other side done, and up top here, but my camera died, so now I'm on my phone, my cellular device. So I guess we're gonna meet up with the customer. I'm gonna wait on him here, and we're gonna get this tractor strapped down, hopefully get paid, and enjoy the rest of my Friday. I guess I'm gonna start bringing y'all along on my YouTube channel on my 3901 adventures here in the Chilton Show. We'll see you next time, I guess. Thanks for watching the Chilton Show, and God bless.